Okay, good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to plot what or how to present the data in cross tabulation table. Okay, this cross tabulation table gives us visualize information about the relationship between two or more what categorical variable or datas. Okay, when we just when we make a table for cross tabulation table, we may use what two variable or it may be more than two or multi-way table. We confirm what two-way or maybe what multi-way more than two for providing what a variety of tests and measuring association between what tables. Okay, two-way tables. So in order to obtain what cross tabulation table, go to analyze, then descriptive and cross tabulation. Okay, in the first table, insert what insert sex. This is a categorical variable, male and female, and the marital status, which is also categorical variable. And in statistics, we can check what chi-square as well as correlation tests. So in a cell column, we can click on expected amount of counts, or maybe what hidden small counts, or in a percentage we can select row or column or total. In a residual we can select one standardizer will adjusted, so we can say what okay for everything. So here we have an outcomes. Okay, sex versus marital status is the number is what 439. And when we come to sex marital status cross tabulation, we have a male as well as female. Okay, females. We have a single 50 number of male is single, 55 is that's a female, as well as what steady relationship IP, living with partner, married first time, remarried, separated, divorced, widow. We have such kind of relationship between male and I think sex and what marital status. Here we have a chi-square tests. Percent chi-square tests have 0.026, which is significant. There is what a significant relationship between what marital status and a sex of what respondents. We have likelihood ratio test as well as which is 0.07, which is less than 0.05. So we can say what we can say there is a significant relationship between male and the females. We have prisoners in interval by interval. Okay, we have Spearman correlation. We have this kind of correlation approximately, which is 0.07, so which is significance association. We expect was significant percent chi-square, which is 0.128, which is weak, but which is better. So this is all about how to obtain what cross tabulation table.